Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix gaps in your video in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Now, while you're editing a video, you might slice the video in a couple of segments. For example, if I place the marker here and use the splitting tool, as you can see, it has been split in a couple of different positions. And if I drag those segments around, it creates these gaps in the recording. Now, if I were to play the video, if it goes over a gap, it'll be completely black and nothing will be visible. Now, if you want to fix this, all you need to do is hover over the gap like this and click the trash can icon, or you can just take a segment and drag it until this purple line shows up and make sure it is completely in line with the other segments. And that is pretty much how you fix those gaps. However, if you have gaps in your recording which are naturally there for some reason and your recording software messed up for some reason, what you can do, of course, is snip those or cut those segments out exactly by using the split tool. Again, for example, let's say in between 12 seconds and whatever this is, I'm pretty sure this is 14 seconds, you just use the split tool. If there is a blank spot there, snip it out, then just select it and press delete or press the trash can icon, and then again remove the gap between these two segments. And that is pretty much how you fix those gaps in your recording. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.